Open the front cover. Rotate the handle of the conveyance box counterclockwise. Pinch and hold the latch on both sides of the conveyance box and remove the box. Put aside the conveyance box, making sure to keep it in an upright position. There are 4 drum cartridges in the printer. Rotate the drum cartridge release lever clockwise to unlock it. Pull the drum cartridge out partially, making sure to support it from underneath before removing it completely from the slot. Place the used drum cartridge into the plastic bag supplied with the new drum cartridge. Remove the protective wrapping from the new drum cartridge. Insert the new drum cartridge with protective cover into the slot until it clicks into place. Grasp the orange tab on top of the drum cartridge and carefully pull out the protective cover. Rotate the drum cartridge release lever counterclockwise to lock the drum cartridge in place. The LED print head should be cleaned. While holding the cleaning bar with the arrow facing up, gently insert the cleaning bar into the slot until it stops, and then slowly slide the bar back out. Return the cleaning bar to the back side of the front cover. Return the conveyance box to the original position. Rotate the handle clockwise to lock the box in place. Close the front cover.